Hi, my name is Rai from Gunhu. I am excited to welcome you to my class. I love helping students of all ages learn how to speak English properly. My passion is watching movies and listening to music, which I can reinforce in our lessons to be more engaging. My classes will use interactive lessons like role plays, discussions, and games so that you can easily understand the lesson and enjoy it. So what are you waiting for? Let's experience the wonders of learning English in a fun and fruitful way. Thank you for watching. See you in my class.